2025 is shaping up to be completely unpredictable, but if you know where to look, there is one place to invest that stands out from all the rest. It's not real estate, gold, or crypto. I want to share an expert's secret investment spot in this crazy market. So where's the smart money going? Not into any one thing, it's all about combining the best of both worlds. Right now, the real winners are building portfolios that blend emerging markets with hot, high-growth sectors. Think Southeast Asian tech, Indian fintech, and green energy in Latin America, paired with AI, cybersecurity, and healthcare innovation from across the globe. Why does this work? It's simple. Emerging markets are growing way faster than developed ones, and they're packed with untapped potential. When you mix in hot sectors, like artificial intelligence, clean energy, and digital finance, you're not just diversifying, you're riding the fastest waves of growth. But here's the thing, you can't just throw darts on a map and hope for the best. You've got to be strategic. Look for funds or ETFs that focus on future-facing sectors in countries with stable policies and young tech-savvy populations. The right mix means you capture high returns from explosive sectors, while spreading risk across markets that don't all move together. And remember, this isn't about chasing hype. It's about positioning yourself where the biggest gains are most likely, even when the rest of the world seems uncertain. Now that you know one secret to investing in 2025, click on this next video to find out how do you keep all the money you invest. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel for more expert investment tips and updates, so you never miss the next big opportunity.